Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. There is Burak Deniz. Burak Deniz is a talented Turkish actor known for his roles in Arada, Bizim Hikaye, Ask Laftan, Analamaz, Gesinin, Tetli, Yalansiler, Metzir, Kasak Sultan and College Diary. He attended the College Mart University in Çanakkale, Turkey. Burak has been featured in many magazines including InStyle, GQ Turkey, All Men, and Miss Vogue Turkey, among others. He is a famous worldwide and has a huge fan base of more than 3 billion followers on Instagram. Burak Deniz, born on 17 Feb 1991, he is a Turkish actor and model. He is best known for his lead role in Murat Sarsilam's in the television series Ask Laftan Analmaz and later as Baris Aktan in the television series Bizim Hikaye, Mehmet Kadir Bilmiz in the internet series Yerim Kalan Askılar. Burak Deniz was born on 17 Feb 1991 in Istanbul and grew up in Izmir. He graduated from Izmir 50 Yıl Cumhuriyet Primary School and then from Ghazi High School. He studied History of Art and Çanakkale 18 Mart University. In the acting workshop he went to while he was still in high school, he was discovered by the casting director Gökçe Dirk Erten, who helped him start his career. Deniz began his television career with the TV series College Gunlogu, where he had the role of honor. In 2012, he starred as Tariq in the TV series Sultan. In 2013, he starred as Burak Topkoglu in the TV series Kasak. In 2015, Deniz appeared as Aras in the TV series Medkaze. It is an adaptation of the American TV series The OC created by Josh Schwartz. Later in 2015, Deniz starred as Topark in TV series Tatli Kusak Yalansiler, which is inspired by American TV show Pretty Little Liars. It stars Deniz, Sukru Oziles, Bensu Sorrell, Busra Devili, Melissa Sonolalson, Dylan Sisek Deniz, and Basti Kokdemir. In the 2016, he starred in Mud in the TV series Kesinin Kralise alongside Mariam Azari and Murad Yildir. Later in 2016, he was cast as Murat Sarsilmaz opposite to Henry Ersel in the TV series Ask Laftan Analmaz. The story is set in Istanbul and follows a workplace romance at a multinational fashion company, Sarte. It is a romantic comedy series that revolves around Deniz character Murat Sarsilmaz, who is the crown prince of the textile empire. In 2017, he starred as Baris Akhtan alongside Hazal Kya in the TV series Bizim Hikaye. It is an adaptation of the UK original series Shameless. In 2018, he made his cinematic debut with Arada, which is about a punk singer who wants to leave Turkey and ends up a nightmarish hallucinatory trip through Istanbul. In 2020, Burak Deniz starred as Kadir Bilmez in the web series Yerim Kalan Askılar, opposite to Dylan Sisek Deniz. It is the story of a young boy named Uzun, who works as a journalist but loses his life at a traffic accident only to get resurrected in a new body again. After Yerim Kalan Askılar, Deniz starred as Zilal Marshali in the TV series Marsali alongside Alina Bose. His music videos include Kagate Akman in 2017 and the song is Bizim Hikaye. In 2018, the second one is Sihan Murtizalo as a song Bir Beyaz Orchid. In 2019, Urdu won for Hamari Kahani. He is best known as the Turkish version of Fawad Khan because he has some similar facial features that of Pakistani heartthrob actor Fawad Khan. His first role on the television screen was a Turkish drama. However, he got his breakthrough in his American show Pretty Little. In the Turkish version, it is known as Tatli Yalancilra. He holds a graduate degree in art history from Mart University, Turkey. He has huge fans on all social media platforms. He has more than 2.5 million followers on Instagram alone. His internationally recognized drama series Laftan Analmaza has crossed millions of views on YouTube. He is one of the famous drama was dubbed in various languages and has been broadcasted internationally over more than 30 countries. He gave a breakthrough performance as Murat Slimaz alongside Hindi in the Turkish drama series Laftan Analmasa, which has been also dubbed in Urdu called Pyar Lafzon Mein Kahan. After his dub drama, he rose to fame on the Pakistani television drama industry as well as in 30 other countries. Burak Danish is married to Bushra Devil in 2016. He always kept his personal life apart from the media. He loves to spend time outside the home as he is a nature guy at heart. He also loved pets and always kept a lovely dog along with him. The heartthrob actor beside the heart of his fans has also won the Best Television Actor award by the version of the University of Adnan Menderes in 2017. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, then hit the like button and share to your friends. If you want to see more videos like that, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notified. Thanks for watching.